In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness on your TCL Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but the steps in this video should still guide you to change the brightness of your TCL Google TV or even your TCL Roku TV as well. Now, basically, what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button on your TCL Smart TV remote. You can literally see the settings icon on my remote control over here. So you want to go ahead and press on this settings icon, and automatically you're going to get the settings menu on the right hand side of your TCL Smart TV. Now you want to go ahead and select picture, and just like so, you can find the brightness settings of your TCL Smart TV over here. So you can go ahead and increase it or reduce it if you want directly from here. Also, you can do this by coming to the advanced settings, brightness settings, and also increase and reduce the brightness settings and even the black level of the brightness settings on your TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.